Defense team, try to defend your bulwark. We're gonna go for bottom bulwark.
Oh, this one's... Where's my
Alright,
EX skill ka?
Bonus bulwark
Meron,
damage.
meron.
Bonus bulwark damage
Yung
now.
Okay. Unahan ko na.
Frontline deal. Go.
Okay,
Unahan mo, sige. Next ako.
3. Wait lang. Silence ako. 3, 2,
Shit, silence din ako.
1. Go.
Alright, good job everyone, good job. Keep going, keep pushing. Those who are in mid, go for the goose.
Fail ako.
Go for the goose, those who are in mid.
Fail ako.
Ako may buff sila.
Go for the goose.
Buff.
Back.
Attack the goose, activated the bonus goose damage. Go. Go for the goose.
Ay. Kaya bang i-quit ako? Hindi ako na-quit. Oh, okay.
Use serene breeze when you're silent. Lion's roar.
Oh my
Use
god.
Lion's roar and leaping. Okay.
Okay lang, go lang.
Don't PvP anyone, just go for the goose. Only PvP if you really can't do anything
Okay
else.
lang, distance
Just go
lang
for the
tayo.
goose.
Ingat kayo.
Goose is a priority here. Healers, save your
Ako
X
pa yung
skills for when the
top
enemy is
dito sa
desperate surge.
Marami ulit
We're
sila.
gonna combine our healing so that we don't get wiped.
Ilan cooldown ng ano mo, Benz? EX mo?
20 seconds.
Save your X skills, okay? Go for the goose.
Chain
Alright, healers,
natin.
get ready. They use their desperate surge. Get ready, okay?
Sundan mo na lang.
I'll tell you.
Sige, sundan ko.
Okay, go.
Ilan
Healers,
ka?
you can use their X skills now.
Wait lang, pumasok sa bulwark.
Goose, guys, go for the guardian goose.
Wait lang. Stuck ako sa bulwark.
Bot sila niyan,
I'm
ha?
also
Bot or good?
retaliating with desperate
Dipit
surge.
ako
There you
In
go.
5, 4, 3.
Matay ako?
Oh my god. Naubos tayo.
Okay lang.
Gusto
Defense
na.
team, you have chickens now. Defense team, get ready to use them.
Kung may Vitality Guardian pa lang tayo.
Copy.
Yung mga DPS, wait lang ha. Hintayin nyo yung tank.
Alright, German, get ready to carry the tree, German.
Ay, taga, chill.
Go.
Alright, guys, protect German. Healers, heal German, and then we're gonna go for the tree.
Agad.
Heal German, guys. I will buff you up, German. You're now buffed. Get out of here, German.
May EX skill ako. Oh, wow. Pagbagsak ako silence agad.
Ayun. Wala tayong durability.
Maglalapag ako ng EX para immune kayo sa silence. Okay. Patay si Wens.
Ay, sige.
Wait, apat tayong angka.
Oo nga, apat tayo na.
Ang dami. Namatay.
Go, Shao.
Advantage pa rin natin.
Pahil ako? Sino yung nagsasalita?
Eh,
Nagsasalita?
pero
Sure akong sino.
Si Booty.
si Butik lang.
May nasa launch ba? Parang may nagsasalita daw.
Sa launch ba to?
Ay, si Pero
Si pero
okay.
sino? Si Butik lang.
Alam, hindi pala ako sa team. Sorry.
Future natin na defense team captain.
Yun.
Maganda rin yung yung
Weird sila.
call out kasi.
Pero nagsasalita ka pa rin.
Hindi, maganda.
Sa ano?
Okay lang.
Hindi
Hindi ko-
narinig sa
hindi ko
launch.
napanood.
Narinig sa launch.
Pa-change sa team.
That's okay.
Para din
We
ng
still have the tree. We still have the advantage. Keep pushing the advantage. Help German out.
Mag-eros ako in 3,
In 3 minutes, the boss
Two.
will spawn.
1.
So try to keep an eye
Go, go,
out. The jungle, hold the jungle. Get ready by the way, jungle. I forgot about the jungle. Forgetting about that. Keep forgetting about that.
Puno ah. Puno.
Frontline zeal, thank you, Nachi, for buying frontline zeal.
Puno na. Puno na.
Hit the umbrella, guys. If you see someone with
May
an
mga manok
umbrella,
tayo, ah.
kill them first. Use the chickens to defend, guys.
Raise na sir, raise na.
For those who are dead, remember to use the ballistas. Huskies at mid also. German, 1 minute and I can buff you again, German.
Hindi ako makapag-pick up ng manok. Cover.
Ang ganda nung chain natin, lol.
Don't
EX.
stand in German's way, guys. Give way for German. You can actually block him, so don't block him. Shiloh, if you can you block the enemy by the way, Shiloh? Thank you.
Buti sila, may ano ah.
Use your wall,
Harang
Shiloh.
sila. Sinuhold tayo.
Okay, ito na Guardian Palm.
Kasi sa labas ng base tayo, no? Habulin natin yung 3. Doon tayo
Oh, nabis na pala sila dito.
Don't let them near German, guys.
Spring ship. Doon tayo. Doon sa tree natin.
Don't let them near German.
Habol.
Kill the Panbrella. Use your line.
Ba't nauna yung mga DPS?
Okay lang, wala masyado na... ano makabantin na
Andito sila lahat.
Makabantin na kaya kailangan. Tara, doon sa
Punta sa harap
Alright,
ng ano.
great job, guys.
10 seconds yung EX ko.
Now, go German.
Yeah, wait ko. Okay na yung ano ka,
Extra movement speed for you.
yung SS ko ah. Ready? Buff off na kayo.
I'll make sure you pass this wall.
Save
Go,
niya.
but that's back. You ignore that wall now. Oh, never mind. You don't. My bad.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
Enemy
nag-best
uses
sila.
the
Oh my god.
Alive, everyone. Stay near healer. I have my EX skill ready just to counter.
Wala na, desperate surge.
Okay, incoming ah.
Defense
SS
team,
ako.
if you can kill their tree
Thank
carrier,
you.
defense team.
Wait lang.
Wag muna, Wins.
Okay.
Mag-meet tayo sa mid eh.
Yung umbrella,
Kill the tree carrier.
umbrella sila. Umbrella nila yan.
Ang barila nila yun, bobo naman nila.
Hindi, nakakagos sila dyan
Keep
eh.
going, German. Keep going.
ang lala nyo.
Jungle, the boss will spawn. Get ready. They're all in RP. We'll be fine.
Ang dami nila sa mid, makukuha nila yung boss pag hindi tayo pumunta.
Boss ba?
I'm
Malapit
gonna
na
use
boss?
Desperate Surge. Go kill them. Desperate Surge is on. Yeah, reduce healing.
Ano try natin?
Most important to priority natin.
Lion's Roar, Leaping Toad. Use that.
May Desperate Surge sila.
Desperate
Wins, may EX ka lang. May EX skill ka pa rin.
Okay, sige.
Jungle,
In
get ready.
3, 2,
Get ready for the
1.
boss.
Wag mo na.
Jungle. Everyone,
Ay,
head for the
sorry.
boss. Head middle, everyone. Jungle,
Kaya
head
na,
middle.
kaya yung yes.
Okay na.
Patay na itong mga to.
Ito na, mag-meet na tayo.
We're gonna need to help German, by the way. Don't leave German. He's gonna carry the tree.
Kasi nung tank may EX
Boss,
pa, pwede kayo
everyone,
mag-EX
we need this boss.
dito.
Wala na parang nagbubuhat.
Ito na, andito na sila marami.
Head for the boss. Head for the boss. I'll defend German. You guys had the.
Nice one.
Hope you guys get the boss. Please get the boss, guys.
Ay, nice. CX.
Ano ba tong silence na to? 24 hours?
Everyone, go.
Okay. Konti lang sila, marami namatay kanina eh.
There's Huskies in mid. Use the Huskies. And then leave the fire trail.
Okay. GG nasa frontline yung healer.
Don't block.
Yung kalaban,
Kill
I
the
mean.
enemy tree carrier.
Nagaya nila.
Tumatangke. So, di.
Kaninong wolf? Pasara nila to.
Alright, German.
Ayaw
Keep
na
moving forward.
Ayaw nila manalo.
Patay na yun, ah.
Okay, wala na silang carrier.
Nice, good job everyone. Keep going, the enemy is separated. Kill the Fanbrella user.
Nice one.
Keep
Nice
your
one.
eye out for the Fanbrella.
And
Make sure they don't block German's way.
Nice one, nice one.
German, I'm boosting you up. Go,
Nakikita ang
German.
red lang. Okay na lang. Box lead.
Unti-unti sila nadating dito, pakisave yung EX niya.
Keep going, German,
Copy,
keep going. You're doing great. Relentless Advance is active. Desperate Surge will be up soon.
Tayo guys.
Once the enemy regroups, I'm gonna use Desperate Surge and we're gonna go for them.
Intercept na.
Andito sila lahat, papunta na sila
We're
lahat.
gonna hit the ones that are near German first, okay? Prioritize killing the enemies that are near German. There's a Fanbrella over here. Kill this Fanbrella.
Bubong daw, bubong. Okay, drop ako dito.
You can jump over the walls, guys. You can jump over the walls.
And go. Wala sila. Asan
Use
yung mga kalaban?
Andito na ako, ito nag-drop ako.
Drop lang. Ganda yan.
Look at.
use the Husky special skills. Yeah. Fire shell.
Okay, may shield tayo.
Nag-EX ako.
Si Wens.
Sino naman to?
Ayun si Wens. Wens, may EX ka?
Meron.
Tara, i-defend natin dyan.
Eto, ah.
Nice. Alright.
Palaka na ako.
Lang. Paki-ready ng ano, live.
Nice one. Tapos ako sunod.
GG.
Nice
GG!
one.
Nice one.
Ganun dapat may com. Yeah. Iba yung linag ko, yung kalaban yung linag ko. Ala.